Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 1, characteristics and life processes of living organisms, and today I will deliver its fourth lecture. And the lecture is project. So today we are going to make a project which is an activity. So my dear students, before moving on towards the activity, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. For that, you have to listen to the questions very carefully and then answer them. So quickly tell me that how do animals breathe? Animals breathe through their lungs. Very good. Now quickly tell me how do plants breathe? Plants breathe through the leaves. The leaves which are present on the trees, they have stomatas on them, and that is how the plants breathe. The gas exchange happens. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards today's student learning outcome. Today's lecture, students will be able to compare and contrast characteristics that distinguish major groups of living things, plants and animals. So my dear students, today we are going to make a project on the characteristics of plants and animals, which is on growth, by the way. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Allah is the creator of everything and he has charge over everything. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the pre-reading question. So quickly listen to the question and then answer it. Did you grow a plant ever? क्या आपने कभी कोई seed sow किया हो और plant grow किया है आपने? नहीं किया तो आज हम plants को grow करेंगे and we will look at how the plants grow, उनके अंदर growth process कैसे होता है. Next is how plants grow up. They grow from a seed. Very good. So, did you ever grow up a pet? क्या आपके पास कोई pet है जिसको आपने जिसकी growth देखी हो? Any dog, cat, or a chicken? Okay, we will also have a look at that. Next is how animals show growth. Animals grow from babies to adults. So that is how both plants and animals show growth. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards and have a look at the characteristics. इनको हम daily basis पे revise करेंगे तो हमें ये याद रहेंगी कि animals और plants both are living things and both have some characteristics like movement, growth. Today we will talk about growth, respiration, eat and feed, reproduction, sense and respond, and excretion. So these are all the characteristics of living things. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the reading. So today we are going to make a project. So first let's look at the instructions of the project. So for this project, we will move forward towards page number 7. Quickly open it in your books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the material that is required. Seeds of your choice, containers, soil and water. And for procedure, we will add soil, sow the seeds, sprinkle water, and then we will observe different changes. And then you will record the observations in your book. So let's quickly do it. So my dear students, growth and plants, for that you need some seeds, any seeds of your choice. कोई भी आप ले सकते हैं. You need a pot and you need soil. And after that, you also need water. So my dear students, what we will do is sow the seeds and water it. आपने मिट्टी के अंदर बीज को लगाना है, उसके बाद आपने इसको मिट्टी से कवर कर देना है and then you will water it. So this is how we sow the seeds. Now let's do this activity here. मेरे पास अभी मिट्टी भी है, container भी है. I also have some seeds. So let's sow the seeds in the container and we will see that how we can do it. So here, my dear students, you can see that I have a container. This is full of soil and I have seeds. These are pea seeds that I have and I also have water here. So let's now, first what I will do is थोड़ी सी मिट्टी को साइड पे हटाएंगे हम and after that we will put in the seeds. थोड़े से फासले पे seeds को हमेशा रखा करें because each seed will grow into a new plant. So उनको proper जगह भी चाहिए होती है. So this is how मैंने seeds को अंदर रख दिया. Now I will cover it with the soil. Once the seeds are covered, now we will pour the water. Sprinkle the water, pour the water. बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं डालना आपने. And this is how you will sow the seeds. Okay. So done, आपके sowing का जो process है that is done. Now let's move forward. Okay, in the next step, note the changes after 2 weeks. Once you have put the seeds into the pot, इसको आप जो है 2 weeks के बाद इसके अंदर चेक करेंगे कि क्या चेंज आया है. ठीक है, इसको आपने सनलाइट में रख देना है. और चेंज इन द स्टेम लेंथ, उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि स्टेम लेंथ में क्या चेंज आया है. कंडीशन ऑफ स्टेम देखेंगे, उसका कलर देखेंगे, स्टिफ है या वीक है ये चेक करेंगे. इरेक्ट या नीड सपोर्ट, यानी कि बिल्कुल सीधा खड़ा हुआ है या उसको कोई सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि व्हेन द स्टेम्स आर वीक दे फेल. सो यू कैन चूज सीड्स ऑफ योर ओन चॉइस. आप अपनी मर्जी के सीड्स को भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज यू कैन नोटिस अ टाइनी सीडलिंग विल कम आउट ऑफ द सीड. ठीक है, और फिर आपने उसको चेक करना है कि इसके जो है वो किस तरीके से इसके अंदर चेंजिंग आई हैं, इसका स्टेम कैसा है, कलर क्या है, स्टिफ है या नहीं है, is it erect or not. So these are the changes that you will note, and then you will note down these changes in your books. So keep watering the plant and record changes after 2 weeks. चेंज इन द स्टेम लेंथ, कितनी लेंथ हुई है उसकी, आप स्केल की मदद से इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं एंड राइट इट डाउन हियर. एंड कंडीशन ऑफ द स्टेम, उसका कलर आप लिखेंगे. स्टिफ है या वीक, यू विल राइट इट हियर. इरेक्ट और नीड सपोर्ट, आप वो यहाँ लिखेंगे. देन कंटिन्यू वाटरिंग द प्लांट एंड ऑब्जर्व आफ्टर 2 other weeks. अब ये करने के बाद आप 2 और हफ्तों के बाद उसको चेक करेंगे एंड नोट डाउन द नोटेबल चेंज ओवर हियर. 2 हफ्ते के बाद उस प्लांट में क्या चेंज आई है आपने वो देखना है. और कंक्लूजन, what did you learn from this activity, और आप इस एक्टिविटी से क्या लर्न करेंगे आपको वो भी बताना है. ठीक है, you can share it with your class fellows or you can also write down in your notebook. So we learned that when we sow the seeds into the soil, it needs soil, water, air and sunlight to grow. Then after some time, tiny seedling will come out of the soil, and after a few weeks we will notice the change in the stem length, in the shape, in the color and also in the leaves of the plant. तो इस तरीके से आप ग्रोथ जो है वो नोटिस करेंगे एक प्लांट के अंदर. नाउ इज द पार्ट बी ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. सो पार्ट बी है ग्रोथ इन एनिमल्स, क्योंकि हम दोनों को साइड बाय साइड पढ़ रहे हैं, प्लांट्स को एंड एनिमल्स को. नाउ वी विल नोटिस द ग्रोथ इन एनिमल्स. सो फॉर दिस यू नीड टू ग्रो अप अ चिक. आपको एक चूजे की जरूरत है जिसको आपने ग्रो करना है. Meanwhile, observe notable changes taking place in the chick. और चिक में क्या नोटेबल चेंजेस आएंगे वो आपको नोटिस करने हैं. रिकॉर्ड एंड सबमिट देयर ऑब्जर्वेशन आफ्टर 3 वीक्स. आप एक चिक के अंदर 3 हफ्तों के बाद क्या नोटेबल चेंजेस आते हैं उनको नोट डाउन करेंगे. साइज इंक्रीज होता है, उसकी बीक का कलर चेंज हो जाता है, फेदर्स का कलर चेंज हो जाता है. दैट यू विल नोटिस, यू विल ऑब्जर्व, यू विल नोट इट डाउन एंड देन यू विल प्रेजेंट इट इन योर क्लास. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रोथ इन एनिमल्स. सो ग्रो अप अ चिक. सो एक चिक जो है it comes out of an egg and then after that it grows in size, its color changes, उसके feet का color change होता है, beak change होती है. So this is how the growth is shown in the animals. So my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. Quickly listen to the question and then answer it. How plants show changes in them in growth process? In size, in stem, in their stiffness, in their color, so in their size. So this is how the growth is shown in the plants. After that, what are the changes in an animal in growth process? It also grows in size, changes its color, becomes more strong with the time. So जैसे जैसे plants और animals बड़े होते हैं they become strong. लेकिन दोनों की strength show करने का या express करने का तरीका different है. उसका stem strong हो जाता है, जो animals हैं उनकी legs और feathers strong हो जाते हैं when they grow up. So this is the growth process that we observe in plants and animals. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards the practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can also get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, जो आप activity perform करेंगे उसको आप इस worksheet में record कर सकते हैं. This will become very easy. इसको आप अपनी notebook में attach करें और you can present it in the class. आप एक file बना सकते हैं, पूरी class की एक file बन सकती है. So this is how you can मल्टीपल तरीके से आप इस एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सो राइट डाउन योर नेम इन योर क्लास, रोल नंबर एंड देन ग्रोथ इन प्लांट्स. दिस इज पार्ट 1 ऑफ द वर्कशीट. सो day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is how you will, after 2 weeks, you will observe the changes in the plant. And then here growth in animals. So after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you will notice the changes, and day by day, notice the changes and then present it in your class. Okay, my dear students. So this is it. Download this worksheet and you will complete it after doing this activity. So my dear students, now is the time to note down your homework. For homework, what you will do is independent activity number 1, movement of animals. So different animals show different movements. Here is the list of different modes of movement that various animals adopt. Name them, like ये हमने previous lecture में भी की थी. If you have missed it, you can do it again. So this is given on page number 6. So make a column, write the movements on one side, and then which animals show that movement, write it down, like jump. Rabbits jump and hop. Run. Tigers run, cats run, dogs run. Glide. Birds glide. Then crawl. Which animals crawl? Like snakes, they crawl and creep. So this is how you can write the different movements of different animals. So my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. So today what we have learned, we learned that plants show changes in length of stem, color, stiffness and posture during growth, whereas animals show changes in size, color and food during growth. यानी कि इनका food taking uptake का भी तरीका जो है वो मुख्तलिफ हो जाता है. शुरू में जो animals होते हैं, they are dependent on their parents for feeding, and after that when they grow up, they feed on their own. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Do perform this activity at your homes and in your class with your friends, with your peers. You will definitely enjoy it. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.